Hello viewers, welcome to Unicorp's Aeron demonstration series. Myself Shivam Banod and I am working as business analyst for Unicorp's Business Solutions. In today's demonstration video, we'll be focusing on the functionality of digital signature and how it can be used with the SAP Business One client. So here you can see we have logged into our SAP Business One cockpit. These are the different modules which many of you will be familiar with. Here you can see we have the Unicorps Plus suite under which we have the module for digital signature. When I click on the digital signature menu, I have some menus related to masters as well as the transactions. Under the masters, we have a DS digital signature configuration window where we configure our digital signature type. So under the drop down, we have the toggle as well as the PFX, which is the personal file creation system, where we can use the PFX or the dongle as per the organization's need. So on the basis of this setup, a digital signature dongle, either the pen drive which we use by connecting to our server system, or the PFX file setup can also be used. And accordingly, we have all these different type of forms, the transactional documents, where we can perform the digital signature process. So you can see we have the sales order item type, we have the sales order service type, we have the sales invoice item as well as the service type, we have the AR credit memo, both item and service, we have the purchase order for both the item and services, AP invoice, which is the purchase invoice, as well as the AP credit memos. So on all these different transactional documents, we can easily attach our layout name, whatsoever layout we are using. Accordingly, we can attach the name as well as the RPT name. So once this is a one-time setup, once performed, accordingly we can perform the digital signature process on the SAP Business One itself. Plus, providing a functionality where we can generate digital signature file on the creation of the different transactional document. For example, if I add a sales order, I enable this particular functionality and I add a sales order, so automatically the digital signed layout will be generated and saved to the system. So moving on, we'll show you how this particular functionality works. So here you can see I'll go to my AR invoice. I'll create a particular AR sales invoice for, I've selected my customer. Accordingly, I'll select my item. Here I've selected my item. Now I add this sales invoice to the system. Once this particular sales invoice is added to the system, here you can see at the bottom corner we have the digital signature option available. So we can just select a particular layout. So we can have multiple layouts on a particular transactional document. So accordingly, in the drop down, all those layouts which are attached with that particular document will be visible, and we can select that particular document and we'll click on the button itself. So now at the background here you can see the AR invoice layout is available, and at the bottom you can see we have the digitally signed attachment. So you can see digitally signed by the user, the dates is coming automatically, the system dates and the timestamps. So accordingly, just a click away, we can easily digitally sign all our transactional document in SAP Business One. Plus, not only this, we have even the functionality for bulk signing. So if I come to my digital signature menu, I have the transaction where I have the bulk document signing. So under the bulk document signing, we can select any of the transactional document type among the given options. So once I select this particular option, I can select the layout. So accordingly, whatsoever layout was linked with that particular document, and in accordance to that, I have different parameters according to document numbers. If I want to select according to posting date, if I want to select according to customers, if I want to select, and we can easily select those documents and we can perform the complete bulk digital signed documentation in the complete process in SAP Business One. So yeah, this is the complete functionality of the digital signature in SAP Business One. Thanks for joining today's session.